This is a short video on vocabulary for the legal system. The first vocabulary word is civil case. Important to note that in a civil case, no crime has been committed. A civil case is a disagreement between two parties to recover damages or receive compensation. Always in a civil case, one party is suing another party. Second word is criminal case. Now, in a criminal case, that's right, a crime has been committed or alleged to have been committed. It's up to the court to determine whether a person accused of breaking the law is guilty or not guilty of a misdemeanor or felony. Keep in mind that in a criminal case, the defendant is innocent until proven guilty. Go to the next page. First word is felony. A felony is a more serious crime. It's punishable by more than a year in prison. Think murder, or deadly assault, or theft in Virginia of more than $500. Second word on the page is misdemeanor. This is a less serious crime punishable by less than a year in prison. Any speeding ticket, parking ticket, that's a misdemeanor crime. Most crimes committed are misdemeanors.